Hi, Foodie Chef Pete here, and today we are grilling. And what are we grilling? I'm going to grill some turkey burgers on this side and some nice fresh veggies on that side. So what I'm going to start is, I have one small red potato. I thought we'd throw a red potato in and some squash today so that we can get this all going. Let's just get this on here. Okay, there we go. It's starting to heat up really nice now. And I'm just going to cut right through here, just right through here. And then I am going to get this potato on the grill. That means our grill is up to 500 temp, okay? There we
go.
are.
I see the green lights.
Okay, so let's get that there. And let's just give it a little olive oil to start. There we go. Now we're getting some noise, huh? All right, and then I'm going to do some yellow squash today and some green squash. So let's get some squashes on here. So, you know, hamburgers are great, but you can put them together with whatever kind of veggies you want, or a salad, or whatever you like, right? There we go. Let's get this on here. So we'll get everything going. And I need my spatula, or as we like to call it, a spatula. So let's get him going here. There we are. Let's get him all going, all of these things. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some squash that is green now, okay? So I put some yellow, now I'm putting green. And I'm going to take this squash and I'm just going to cut it in some thin plank pieces, just like this. This way we get them all on here. See, just thin pieces like that. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be perfect. This is your family. This isn't for some five-star restaurant. This is how we do. Okay, so now we've got that going. And what we're going to do while that is going is we are going to find our meat. Okay, so I have about here in this bowl about a half pound of ground 93.7, no, this is the 80-20, the 80-20 ground turkey, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little salt in it. Actually, let's season our veggies while they're cooking. Okay, a little salt. We'll do that. And then I'm going to get a little bit of pepper on them. Actually, let's see. Today, I think we can do a little bit of lemon pepper on them. We have lemon pepper. Let's give them a little lemon pepper. Okay. Good. And then I think we're going to give them just a little bit of oregano to give them a little Mediterranean twist. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is come back here to our turkey meat. This is our turkey meat. Okay. And what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to put a little bit of lemon pepper in there. And you can put as much or as little as you like. And then I'm going to put some salt. Okay. And then I think I'm going to give it a little bit of garlic powder. Just a little garlic powder now. Okay. And then I'm going to go with a little bit of oregano. But you can put whatever you like in here, whatever your family likes. And then I think a little bit of chives I'm going to put instead of onion today. Okay, so then we've got all that going in here, all that good stuff for flavor. And we're going to get that in. And then I'm going to mix it up. Okay, and I am going to mix him up with my hands. Just get my hands in here. No breadcrumbs, no egg, we're just gonna make some nice meat patties here today so we can taste turkey meat. All right. And then what I'm gonna do is let this sit over here for a few minutes to get a little more room temperature because I had him in the refrigerator. Okay, let me rinse my hands while Anthony's showing you the veggies over here. Because we're gonna come and we're gonna take those veggies now and we are going to give them a good mix up. All right. Let me get my other... Okay. So here we go. We're gonna get these kind of mixed up a little bit here. And as you guys can hear, this Breville grill is a nice grill because it does a beautiful job. And what I'm going to do is get these in and turn them a little more. And then we get them all together in here like this. Just like that, get them all together. And you're saying, why is he getting them all there like that? I says, I'll tell you why. Because I got a new little grill pans to go on top to help steam our vegetables and make things cook faster, okay? All right, so let's start there. Let me find a lid here. This is what it looks like. They come in different sizes, and this is the size I chose for our grill. And what I'm going to do with this is just kind of get everything up here and then get this grill cover right on top, just like that. And we're going to let those veggies cook in there and steam because that is the easy way. They come in round sizes. This is a little small 9-inch size here, 6 by 9 I believe it is. And there we have that, okay? So what I'm going to do is come back and we're going to go to the next part, which is our turkey burgers. This is Pete out.